Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to create a scaled viewport to show drawings details in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. First, load the Lisp. Enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Type Crombo to activate the Lisp. First, enter desired text size. Then, specify the details center point and diameter. Finally, choose a location for your details and select a scale factor. You can also add a scaled title for your details. Delete extra objects or trim them.